Today I'm going to talk about an astrological technique which is called as in the age of darkness. How do people read astrology? It's a numerical system which is used to calculate the
Every big moment deserves the right time. Expert Muhurtam fixing for all occasion. Get your right time with our astrologer Gopal Krishnan.
Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about an astrological technique which is called as Ashtavarga. Ashtavarga is written in Parashara Hora. Parashara Hora, the disciple of Parashara, the Maitreya, asked in the age of darkness, how do people read astrology? In the age of darkness, it is very easy to read astrology if you use what you call it as the Ashtavarga, says the Parashara Maharishi. The Ashtavarga is a numerical system which is used to calculate based on the planetary position. Let me not go into the detail. Let me give how to interpret that particular astrology for you as a person. For example, the 18 to 21 is a very, very bad part of the particular house. You can read those houses very, very clearly. And the second thing is 21 to 24 is kind of average. 25 to 29, 30 is very good. Above 30 is extraordinarily, which is very good. Now we will take the example chart. If you see the 10th house, it is Makara Lagna. Makara Lagna, from Makara, the 10th house is Tula. The Tula has 40 points. So when we say the 40 points are there as a person, now this is a very significant thing, which means the person carrier is very good. In fact, it is very correct. The person carrier started at the age of 15, 16. Now he has went on to start a digital business where he has his own office. He is less than 23 years old. His career is a resounding success where he is able to make lakhs of rupees even with the age of 23. So this is the solidity of Ashtavarga technique. The third house has 35 points. The 35 points shows the person is very good in travel. Of course, he has a bike and which he travels at a distant things across. And the second important thing is the person uses latest of the digital technology and the latest of the digital things he uses across as a person. So, which has 35 points. The latest means he uses app, he is very good with AI, he is very good with Perplexity, ChatGPT, all a variety of things he is very, very good at it. So that itself shows that Ashtavarga, how true and good it can be. And he has 27 points in the second house, which means he is very good in his communication, above average in his communication. And in fact, if you look at the 6th house, it has 22 points. He doesn't have much enemies. His health is okay. And he has 30 points in the 11th house, which means he makes a lot of money, he invests the money and he saves the money. And he has taken EMI for a BMW bike and which he has paid it across. And he is able to save more than 10 lakhs amount of gold below the age of 23, which is excellent across. In fact, 24 points is the main important thing across. We can simply say the person actually makes a lot of money, then spends money across, and he has a very thrifty habits across. And if you see now we can extrapolate all these things to different charts. Now, for example, I will show you the Navamsa chart for the particular thing. In the Navamsa chart, it is the Simha Lagna. Now, the 29 points are there in terms of the marriage house, which means generally it shows a happy, peaceful, and a wonderful married life across. And probably he'll get married at the age of 29. Now, the other important chart we can talk about is the Dasamsa chart. Now, in the Dasamsa, the Lagna is supposed to be Rishabha. And the Ashtavarga chart, if you look into it, the Dasamsa chart has a Ashtavarga of 29 points in the 10th house. The 11th house has 32 points, which shows above average career. His career is very good. Sarvashtavarga is a wonderful technique where you can use it to predict people's life across, and it will be a wonderful technique across which will help you to give a snapshot prediction of somebody's life without much of a complication or a confusion across. So like this, there are many wonderful techniques in astrology. I would talk about it one by one across, which would be very, very useful to you as you predict across. So this is a wonderful technique called Sarvashtavarga, and which can be used in all divisional charts. The first time it was introduced by Jagannath Hora, and also Parashara Light followed it. Nowadays it is common in many softwares to use it across in Junior, Jyotish and all that. So basically Sarvashtavarga is a wonderful technique where you can predict about people's life across, and it is a fantastic technique across. Thank you so much.